When coming onto the IMechE website, you may have noticed this icon. By clicking here, you have now access to the accessibility menu, and it's via this menu you'll find options that will allow you to adjust our website for your very specific needs. The first tab we have is the contrast tab. By clicking here, you have the option to create an invert color scheme, a dark contrast scheme, or a light contrast scheme. The next option is highlight links. By clicking on this, not only will it give a black accent to every single hyperlink, but it will also underline them, making it very clear what is clickable. Next, we have the bigger text option, which does exactly that. By clicking through it, it allows you to toggle between different text sizes. We have text spacing, which allows you to change the spacing between words. The saturation option allows you to change the saturation of the page. If it is that you prefer a desaturated look, this is how you achieve it. The line height and text align very much work as you would find in a word processor. As you can see, as I toggle through the options, it's changing the height of the line, and similarly, you can go from different alignments. Next, you have the dyslexia friendly option, which allows you to toggle to a new font called Dyslexia Font, which has been designed to help with dyslexia. Next, we have the cursor option, which allows you to toggle between having a large cursor or creating a reading mask, which darkens the area around your text. And finally, any customizations or accessibility changes that you've made will follow you through to every page on the IMechE website.